Welcome to the Philippines collection, where today we have the 1979 Philippines Birds stamp set. Let's just get right into it. Here we have Steers Pita. I've heard it be pronounced both Pita and Pitta, but for this video, we'll call it Pita. But I'm no expert on birds, so feel free to correct me. I'm also no expert on stamps, but I don't feel that you need to be able to appreciate the illustrations that stamps can provide. Here we've got a pair of Merrill's fruit doves. Quite gorgeous birds. Here we have a slightly oddly named Philippine-eared nightjar. It's the nightjar that gets me, regardless. Quite a nice bird nesting there on the ground. Up next here we've got the Mindoro Imperial Pigeon. Sadly, this bird is on the endangered species list, which is a real shame, as it's quite a beautiful bird. Here next we've got a stamp featuring two separate species, though strikingly similar. Koch's Pita and the red-breasted Pita. A very nice set of birds here. And lastly, we have maybe my favorite, the brown tit babbler. Quite a goofy name for what is visually a semi-plain brown bird. It's really the name that scores it my favorite bird, at least in this list. And there we have the entire set of 6 Philippine bird stamps from 1979. I hope you enjoyed going over these stamps with me here today, and hopefully I'll see you next time in future videos where we'll be reviewing some more amazing pieces just like this.